everybody, and welcome back to the Fairy Tale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. I'm Chelsea, and welcome to summer vlog number 3. So if you've been following us this summer, our whole goal is to find a way to make every summer day count. And extra magical despite the fact that we are in still kind of a summer lockdown. We're all still taking precautions like wearing masks when out in public. I'm not really bringing Callie into stores with me. We're not visiting the playground at all. So we wanted to figure out how to make this summer memorable in a way that was magical rather than tragic, if you will. There's also, as I'm sure you're aware, there's no childcare this summer, at least for us. So rather than what we would be typically doing, where she would be with me 3 days a week and at childcare 2 days a week, so then during those 2 days I could grocery shop, clean the house, work, you know, the things that we would do without our children, or that doing without them is easier. We do not have that luxury. So 5 days a week she is with me, and then the weekends, you know, we're together as a family, which is a lot easier obviously when Mark is home. So we have implemented a 50 things to do summer magic bucket list that I've talked about in all of our vlogs. That's going to be below as well for you. And I will make sure that the other vlogs get tagged up here so that you can go back and watch the fun that we've been having. This week, we combined 2 of Callie's activities into one kind of party. And I'm gonna use that loosely because when I say party, I mean my brother, sister, their spouses, and children, because that's who we've basically been with in a safe space is just our family. So you will see all of the nieces, including the newest addition, and she's going to be a month old by the time you see this, but you will see baby Rowan as well. All 5 kiddos among the 3 siblings, my brother, my sister, and I, all girls. We have all girls. So you're gonna see them in the end of this video and kind of enjoying their party time together. But this party time is super casual, and it's something we do every weekend and including weekdays. So sit back, relax. I'm gonna apologize for the upcoming shot where it's just my knees. The camera slid down, but you'll see the sticks that Callie pulls for these activities of the week, and then you'll get to see us like doing the activities, etc. So that's it. I love you, friends. Keep watching for a little bit of summertime magic. Look at some of them. You can pull it out. This says water fight with squirt guns.
I wanted to do that one.
Oh my goodness!
I don't want to fight you.
So we'll have to pick out some squirt guns this week, right?
Ryan has a video, and it's squirt guns, but it's kind of different. But it's like you have to do slime.
Ew!
Yeah.
I don't want to do that, but I do want to do squirt guns. We'll have to invite your cousins over. So I got a facial today. I don't have any makeup on my actual skin because I don't like to wear makeup for at least 24 hours after I get a facial to like preserve all the stuff that goes in. Although, you know, when you get a facial and they like lovingly massage your head and like this upper portion of your chest, but then I tried to like wash out all the oils that were up here. So this is like 8% put together. And yes, you are seeing the same 4 dresses over and over this summer because my life is a capsule wardrobe due to weight loss, which there will be an update about if it hasn't already come out, but July is my year anniversary for weight loss surgery. So I own like quite literally 4 summer dresses, and I just wear them on repeat. They're very comfortable. This one's from Vineyard. It has pockets and this little like tie waist. So you just throw it on, it doesn't ever wrinkle. Anywho, if I can find one, I will link it below. So this week is not about facials or my Vineyard Vines dress. This week is about a squirt gun celebration in the afternoon with Callie and her cousins, and it's also about popsicle making. So I thought I would gather some ingredients and show you how we're gonna make them. Okay. Okay, so here is the setup. We have 2 different popsicle molds. I don't know where this 4th one is. And these tops kind of just lock into place, so then you could split them. They end up being bigger than your average popsicle. And then we have these super cute little pineapple ones, which I think are adorable. And we're gonna be using Trader Joe's orange peach mango juice as kind of a base. We picked these fresh raspberries and blueberries yesterday at Coonamessett Farm. And I also have a banana and Callie's favorite fruit, which is a peach. So I thought I could do like a raspberry, peach, banana, blueberry situation in here, depending on what she wants to do. So what I think I might do is kind of blend some of these up together to make them easier, but I also like that both molds kind of allow for whole fruit. So we'll chat with her, with Callie Doodles, and see how she wants to make these popsicles. So Doodles, I know, look at all these good fruit. Hey, no, we're gonna use that, you silly. Okay,
Yummy.
let's talk about the sticks that we pulled this week. We pulled 2, remember? Do you remember what they were? Okay, so one of them was what? Make what?
Squirt gun.
One of them was squirt guns. And so at the same night that we're gonna have our little squirt gun party, what else are we gonna do?
Make popsicles.
Yeah, we're gonna eat popsicles. Okay, so I thought we could do a raspberry peach flavor and a banana blueberry. You could have some of the banana. Okay, which popsicles do you wanna make first? The big ones or the pineapples? All right, so what I thought we could do, these are a little tricky. Okay.
Why?
Do you want to do these ones banana blueberry?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So do you want, okay, the other question is, do you want to do these with water?
Like this.
Yeah, with water or juice? I feel like juice might actually be good in these ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
Water.
All right, so we're gonna start with a little juice in each. And we're not using a recipe, we're just making this up as we go. Okay.
Yep. Like it.
You did a good job. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Is that gonna close?
I'm gonna follow you with my eyes. I've seen this.
Just be careful. Okay, hold this. Great. Okay.
I see the ice.
Oh, bad.
What's bad? Look at this.
You're doing such a good job.
And right
Okay,
now.
that's perfect. Good job, Cal. Okay, ready? Okay, close it up really careful.
Hi.
Hi. Thank you, Callie. We're waiting for all the kiddos. I'll show you. Except don't squirt it yet, Zoe.
Oh, sorry, Cal.
Hey, Zoe, come on this way. Come this way, Zoe.
Good job, Zoe. Hey, not toward the deck though. Get it, Remy!
I need to move.
Oh, no, I like your squirt gun.
Hey, not toward the deck, not toward adults. Can you go help Remy?
Need more water.
Okay. Go, girl.